Transitioning to the ketogenic diet can feel overwhelming, especially when grocery shopping, since it demands a shift from traditional dietary habits. In this video we simplify the process with an essential keto shopping list, actionable tips to set you up for success, avoid common pitfalls, recommendations to stock up on keto-friendly groceries and embrace a new lifestyle. To thrive on keto, you need to hit specific macronutrient targets: high fat, moderate protein, and minimal carbs 20 to 50 grams per day. Achieving this balance starts at the grocery store. But first, let's start with some essential kitchen tools and equipment. You need the right kitchen tools and equipment for easy meal planning and prep. These items help with portion control and food storage, making keto shopping and cooking easier. A food scale is essential for a keto diet. It helps you measure macros accurately, keeping you in ketosis. Choose a digital scale for grams and ounces for precise measurements. Batch cooking and meal prepping can be key for keto meal planning. Invest in quality storage containers that are airtight and BPA-free. They help portion out meals and keep ingredients fresh. Look for containers with clear lids to identify your keto dishes easily. Having the right cooking tools also matters. Measuring cups and spoons help with accurate ingredient measurements. A good chef's knife and cutting board make chopping easy. Starting a keto diet means focusing on top-notch protein sources. These help fuel your body and support ketosis. So let's see the keto protein staples. Eggs, organic, pasture-raised eggs are ideal. They're packed with nutrients. You can enjoy them in many ways, like scrambled, poached, or in omelets. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3s. Meat, opt for grass-fed beef, pork, lamb. They are great picks because they're high in protein and low in carbs. Poultry, skin-on, dark meat cuts like chicken thighs and wings are great for added fat. Tips. For those who prefer plant-based options, tofu, tempeh, lentils, and chickpeas are good choices. They're low in carbs and can be used in many keto recipes. This adds protein without raising your carb count. Rotate proteins to keep your meals exciting and buy in bulk and freeze portions to save money. In your keto journey, it's key to include low-carb veggies and fruits. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Non-starchy vegetables are your go-to for vitamins, minerals, and fiber without spiking your carbs. Aim for nutrient-dense varieties. They help you stay on track with your net carb goals. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are great choices. They're high in fiber and low in carbs. Avocados are a keto superfood that make for a nutritious and filling meal. Other veggies to add to your list are broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and bell peppers. You can use them in many recipes, like roasted sides or as low-carb, rice, and pasta. For fruit lovers, berries like raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries are good choices. They have fewer carbs than most fruits. Starting your keto journey means looking at dairy and alternatives closely. Foods like cheese, yogurt, substitutes are key. But it must be low in carbs and sugar-free. Cheese is a great choice for keto diets. It's full of fat and protein. Choose high-fat, low-carb cheeses like cheddar, brie, and Gouda. Cottage cheese and ricotta are also good, adding creaminess and nutrition. For dairy alternatives, almond milk and coconut milk are popular especially. If lactose intolerant, they're low in carbs and can be used in many recipes. Always pick unsweetened versions to avoid sugars that can mess up your keto diet. Yogurt can be tricky because many types have too many carbs. Opt for plain, full-fat Greek yogurt or unsweetened, high-fat options. For butter, use grass-fed ones that are excellent for cooking and baking. Smart keto snacking options. Staying on track with your ketogenic diet doesn't mean you have to give up tasty snacks. There are many keto-friendly options that can satisfy your cravings and keep you in ketosis. Let's look at some smart keto snacking ideas to add to your shopping list. For a quick and satisfying snack, try hard-boiled eggs, avocado slices, or nuts like almonds or pecans, chia seeds, and flax seeds. These snacks are full of healthy fats and proteins to keep you full. Use almond flour and coconut flour for keto baking. If you're craving something crunchy, try dipping low-carb veggies like celery, cucumber, or bell pepper in a creamy, keto-friendly dip. When you have a sweet tooth, enjoy a small portion of dark chocolate or a keto-approved dessert like fat bombs or chia pudding. For a satisfying crunch, bake your own keto-friendly crackers or kale chips to enjoy on the go. Keep keto-friendly snacks like pork rinds or beef jerky on hand for emergencies. Essential pantry items and seasonings. Your pantry is key when you're on a ketogenic diet. Fill it with keto-friendly pantry staples and seasonings. This will make your keto recipes taste amazing. You'll have everything you need to make delicious ketogenic meals. Low-carb sweeteners like erythritol, stevia, and monk fruit are great for sweet treats. They let you enjoy sweet foods without breaking your keto diet. Use them in baking, drinks, and desserts for extra flavor. Build a collection of herbs and spices to make your keto dishes pop. Must-haves include garlic powder, onion powder, ground cumin, and dried oregano. Try exotic spices like turmeric, cinnamon, and chili powder for more depth and warmth. Don't forget to stock up on condiments like Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, and low-sugar ketchup. They're great for marinades, dressings, or dipping sauces. They add a lot of flavor to your keto meals. And now let's see some common grocery shopping mistakes to avoid. Falling for keto-labeled products. Not all keto foods are created equal. Many packaged goods labeled as keto can contain hidden carbs, artificial ingredients, or low-quality fats. Always read the ingredient list. Skipping fresh produce. Some beginners avoid vegetables out of fear of carbs. Remember, non-starchy vegetables are vital for micronutrients and digestion. Overloading on protein. Too much protein can kick you out of ketosis. Stick to moderate amounts based on your macros. Buying sugary condiments. Many sauces, ketchups, and dressings contain sugar. Look for sugar-free or make your own. Neglecting electrolytes. As your body adjusts to keto, it loses sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Stock up on salt, avocados, and leafy greens to replenish these minerals. Starting the keto diet doesn't have to be daunting. This keto shopping guide is a starting point for your keto lifestyle. It helps you understand what you need to create satisfying, low-carb meals while avoiding common mistakes. Plan ahead, shop smart, and keep your pantry stocked with staples to make keto an enjoyable and sustainable lifestyle. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving your health and weight loss goals with confidence. Use this guide whenever you need a reminder and enjoy your keto journey. Thank you for watching this video, and just only if we could help you with a few useful tips, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future educational videos about ketogenic diet and healthy eating.